Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for tomato soup. Now you can't go wrong with the classic tomato soup and grilled cheese. It is perfect for the winter and especially for rainy days. Now when it comes to tomato soup, I like the classic version, and then that way I can just zhuzh it up however I want to. So let's go over the ingredients and let's get cooking. Okay, you guys, for this recipe, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 4 cups of chicken broth. You're going to need 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, salt, pepper, onion, carrot, butter, garlic, and for spices you're going to need sugar, thyme, a little bit of red pepper flakes. You can certainly leave those out if you want, and a bay leaf. Alright guys, I've got my pan over medium heat. I'm just going to add in my butter. I'm going to let this melt. I'm going to add in your onions. And your carrots. A little bit of salt. You don't want to add too much. A little bit of pepper, because you can always add more later. You don't want to over salt it at this stage, because you cannot take it out later. So if you over salt it now, it's going to be salty later. So add just a little bit. Now you're just going to cook this until the carrots and the onion get tender. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes and my onions and my carrots are tender. They're not caramelized or browned, they're just slightly tender. Now I'm just going to add in my garlic. I'm adding it now because I didn't want it to burn. Give that a toss. Let this cook for a couple of seconds. Now I'm going to add in my spices. I'm just going to let this cook for about a minute or so. Just to let those flavors develop. I can smell that thyme and that sugar caramelizing. It smells really good. After about a minute or so, you can go ahead and add in your tomatoes. And once you add that in, just give it a little toss. Get everything incorporated. Now you can go ahead and add in your chicken broth. Give this a mix. Add a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, give it a mix. Now you're going to bring this to a boil, and then you're going to cut the heat down to low, and you're going to simmer this for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, it has been 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove this bay leaf and just throw that away. Now is the time to go in and check for seasoning to see if you need more salt or pepper. I already did, and it's good to go. So we're just going to cut the heat and as you can see here, I've already made a grilled cheese. And we're just going to ladle some in our bowl. Now, if you don't want the pieces of onion and carrot in there, you can certainly go in and put it in a blender and blend it up. Just be careful because hot things expand in the blender, so just be careful with that. Okay guys, I've got it all done. I like to top mine with a little bit of green onion, so I'm just going to go ahead and give this a try. It's very hot. That is so good. That little bit of sugar really cuts down and balances out that really acidic flavor of the tomatoes. And the carrots and the onion give it a really good sweetness. And I like to have that hearty texture in the soup with the onions and the carrots. It's just a delightful and amazing soup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that little red subscribe button down below and be part of the family here at the Southern Rustic. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.